Hey guys, welcome to the new video of Theme Hunk. In this video, we will see how to add the icon list add-on to a WordPress website. First, install and activate the Elemento Addons plugin on your website. Now open the page with Elementor. You can add the add-on anywhere on any page if the page is built with Elementor. Look for the icon list in the Elemento Addons section. Here it is, drag the add-on and drop on the place where you want to add it. You can also search for the add-on from the search bar. After placing the add-on, you can see some list items here. The icon list can be switched to inline if you want. In this tutorial, we will add the social media icons. Click on the list item to open the settings. Here the list item can be renamed. You can also place an image in place of the icon from here. If using the icon, choose the icon from this list. You will find lots of icons to add that can be searched too. To link the list item, paste the link here. Likewise, edit other list icons. To add more items to the list, either click on this duplicate icon or on the Add Item button. In the styles, various styling settings are given. In the list, these two lines help to manage spacing between text and icon, and between two lines. These numbers are showing padding that you can edit. With these boxes, you can align the list to corners or at the center. If you want to separate the list items with the dividers, enable this button. Besides, there are different styles of the dividers. You can give the dividers a color from here. This gives you complete control over typography. Icon size is also considered, which you can change from here. These sections help to set the normal and hover text and icon color. This section is dedicated to the image if used in place of the icon. In the advanced section, the full add-on can be customized. After all, save the changes and preview the site. These are our list items. You can also visit the icon list page where you get some more applications of the add-on. This is all about the icon list add-on. Download from the link in the description. Thanks for watching.